How's it going, guys? Force White here, bringing you guys a brand new video. And as you can see behind me, we got all of the floor trusses set for our house that we're building. These are 30 foot long, and we just got them set today, 40 of them. Me and my dad, we set all 40 today. So I'm going to show you guys the video of us setting all 40. It took us all day, but it's going to be sped up so you guys will get a quick view of it, and pretty cool. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to turn you guys around real quick. I'll show you what all we done, and we'll show you guys installing the trusses. They weren't too bad at all. We've never installed floor trusses before, but they weren't too bad at all. It's pretty much just set them in place, set them on 16-inch centers, which is what we done. Got everything lined up, everything squared away. On the front side, let me show you guys right now actually. So on the front side here, this will be the front of the house. Basically just we set our two end trusses, this end and the very far end down there. Ran a chalk line from each truss there, and pretty much just moved all of our other trusses to that line, kept everything straight. So pretty straight down through there, looks really good. Everything is on a 16-inch center. So really these 2x4s, by the time you put them on 16-inch centers, you got like 13 inches or something in between, because they're actually laid down sideways instead of up and down. So it looks really good though. Come out really straight. We pretty much just straightened the front, and on the back side we just kind of had to let it go because it was off just a little bit, but overall turned out really good. Next thing we got to do is some sheeting. We still have to go in between every truss and put in a row of 2x4s that will straighten up the center of the trusses, because the truss kind of, you know, on the ends it's right, but then in the middle it kind of gets like wonky. So we have to take some 2x4s, go down the center. We're going to go here and one over there, runs 2x4 straight down, get everything lined back up on 16, so it'll be perfectly at 16 inches straight across. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some footage of us installing these today. Guys, one thing I want to say real quick is that we have never set floor trusses up before, so we didn't know exactly in the beginning exactly how we were going to take it on. Initially, we went to the end of the house that you'll see there, and we set a couple trusses in, and then we went inside of the house and slid the trusses all the way down the walls. But after thinking about things, we thought maybe the excavator picking up the truss, going, you know, moving it down the edge of the house, we're about where we needed it, set it down, set them all up, and then we would just slide them the 30-foot way rather than the 60-foot way. We thought that would be better, but yeah. So if you guys have a better way to do it, I would love to hear that in the comments. Alright, so we're wrapping things up here, getting the last truss installed. Just like that, 40 30-foot trusses installed in one day by 2 people. I think that was pretty good. And you guys are actually seeing it done in less than 5 minutes. So it was a great day, very warm day, but we got it accomplished. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. and I will catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching.